Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Doris Etito. In this video, I'll show you how to cook banga rice. Growing up, banga rice is one of my favorite rice dish and a very unique dish in Warri City, Delta State, Nigeria. Banga rice is also served in Nigerian parties with any protein of choice. To cook our banga rice, here are the ingredients. So you need banga, or otherwise called palm fruits. I'm cooking this rice with 3 cups of rice, some fresh shrimps, 2 turkey wings, Scotch bonnet pepper according to self-tolerance, onions, seasoning cubes, and of course some salt to taste. To begin, wash and parboil the rice, then set aside. The reason for parboiling the rice is to give that very soft and mushy texture, which in fact is one of the attributes of banga rice, especially made in Warri. We like it very soft and mushy. While the rice is cooking, wash and cook the banga. Then pound the banga in a mortar to extract the banga juice. Kindly check out the link to the video on how to extract banga juice in the description box down below. But this is how to do it anyways. In a pot, pour in the banga concentrate or banga juice. Then bring the banga juice to a boil. Wash and slice the pepper and onions. You may also blend the pepper roughly, but I like the sliced version and the onion sliced in ring shape. I like to see the pepper big in the rice. Banga rice, it is economical and it's cooked with less ingredients and is loved by the whole family, especially younger children. When I was a little child, no day passes me without eating banga rice. I practically eat banga rice every day. In fact, if my parents want to convince me to do something, they'll promise me banga rice and then I will just go ahead to do what they are asking me. Funny, right? Add the sliced pepper and onions, then allow to boil. Add the seasoning. A little salt at a time. Then add the parboiled rice. Give it a good stir, then allow to cook on high to medium heat until the banga juice dry up partially. Add the fresh shrimps and reduce the heat to low. Stir to distribute the shrimps evenly, then leave to cook on low heat for about 5 minutes. Give the rice a good stir. The rice is soft and is cooked, so give the rice a good stir. The reason for stirring the rice continuously is to give the rice that soft, mushy texture. The rice is very moist, and that's one of the characteristics of banga rice. Moist, soft, and mushy. Look at that. Our banga rice is almost done. One thing I like about banga rice is the fact that it is economical to prepare, budget-friendly, cooked with less ingredients, and enjoyed by the whole family, especially younger children. The next time you want to cook on a budget, think banga rice. Okay, so add the remaining onions. Then allow to simmer for 1 minute. Look at that. Our banga rice is perfectly cooked, moist, soft, and mushy. Banga rice can be enjoyed with any protein of your choice. It can be enjoyed with chicken, fried fish, whatever kind of protein you so desire. Our banga rice is ready, and this is a serving suggestion. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any comments, please do well to leave it in the comment section down below. Please, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so right now. Hit the subscribe button, like this video, share this video, leave comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. I don't waka.